SARS has implemented a range of new measures to protect you against malicious attacks and to combat fraudulent activities, targeting your information and data. Your information is incredibly valuable and deserves the highest level of protection, which is why SARS is constantly innovating with new strategies to ensure safety for all our taxpayers. SARS has introduced a password meter feature for all new e-filing registrations, which visually indicates the strength of passwords. This tool allows e-filers to create strong and secure passwords, improving the security of their accounts. The e-filing password requirements have also been enhanced. All new and changed passwords must meet the following criteria. It must contain a minimum of 8 characters and include at least one uppercase, lowercase, numeric, and special character. And make sure you exclude personal information like your name, surname, email address, and username, as well repetitive or sequential characters, for example, AAA or 12345. Remember, the enhancements will be enforced to all new and existing individual profiles to confirm and update their security contact details. One exciting measure is the two-factor authentication method, which provides an additional layer of security by requiring users to input 2 different authentication methods when logging into e-filing. This extra step significantly enhances the security of your account and gives you peace of mind knowing that your information is well protected. The first layer of authentication will require you to enter your e-filing username and password. After that has been validated as correct, the second layer of authentication requires you to enter a one-time PIN to be sent to your preferred security contact details. Once you are logged into your e-filing profile, the two-factor authentication setup page will be displayed and prompt you to verify and select your preferred contact method. Once you have selected your preferred method of communication, click the Update and Save tab. Once you update and saved the preferred channel of communication, you need to enable the method of authentication by selecting one of the options: one-time PIN to preferred method of communication, or the eFiling mobile app authentication option, and click the Enable and Save tab. On the next screen, you will be prompted to select your preferred channel and then click OK to proceed. The next screen will prompt you to enter the last 6 digits of the OTP sent to your preferred channel. Then click Submit. A message will confirm the activation. Click OK to continue. Click the Continue to e-filing tab to open your e-filing profile. Your e-filing landing page is now accessible for your use. With these innovative measures in place, you can rest assured that SARS is dedicated to safeguarding your information and data. For more information on how to keep your data secure, visit the SARS website at sars.gov.za. SARS at your service.